I have like 28 orders in Lazada for different tools. Not a single one was delivered by this courier called Ninja Van. This is one table saw that I saw here in Cebu Home Builder tool area. Brand is Max Pro and that's the price. I seldom see this table saw around most hardwares. Or perhaps I haven't been looking, but the only thing, this is more cheaper in Lazada. Lazada never delivers if it's through Ninja Van, so you might just be looking at it on the screen, but when it's time to purchase the table saw, never delivers, even if you're willing to pay. It's the same exact table saw I was looking for and I was looking at in Lazada, I mean. And this is like 18,975. And you got all the blades, the here, and then this one to measure what width you're gonna cut. But it's really handy for my woodworking project that I intend to do. And this is one of the tools that I'm looking for. They got the controls underneath where you connect it on the electric thing. This could have been so handy. I have like 28 orders in Lazada for different tools. Not a single one was delivered by this courier called Ninja Van. So you're only just looking at it on the screen but never delivered. So what's the point? How many times you complain to Lazada, it's never resolved. You even complain to Ninja Van, it's never resolved. So most people have no choice but to buy it in hardware shops. This is like about almost 19,000 pesos. So that's the perfect table saw that I'm looking for. But I'll carry on looking around to give you more ideas about what are the table saws available here in the Philippines. This brand is Max Pro. Max Pro is another sister company of Maxell tool brands. Still looking at the table saw to see if it's any defects on it because of the unfamiliarity of the brand, but I know for sure that Max Pro is from Maxell because I've got a few tools from them before. So these are the controls of the machine like I've shown, but I just want to have a close look on it. So that's the angling, the different measurement, 20 degrees from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. And it's such a shame that I could have ordered this cheaper through Lazada, but Lazada never delivers if it's through Ninja Van. So like I said, I got 28 parcels from them and they lie. They said that they deliver and the customer refuses the item, or they attempt to deliver but never. In reality, I was never contacted. And never had they attempted to deliver around my place. They even pictured the wrong house, that they have been in the house. And I refused delivery. And in fact, most of you have seen my house in my video, my castle, and my house is white, not blue, and it's not small. And I got my people living outside my vicinity, so there's always somebody there if someone's looking or delivering something. So what I get from this Ninja Van is all lies. And when I talk to a Ninja Van courier and I want to ask where is their office, and they reach somewhere in Mabolo, that's the reply. Or I want to ask the contact number of the hub here in Cebu City, they would not give you. And I said, what are you doing? Where are you still eating? It's already 2 o'clock. They said it doesn't matter because I'm still get paid even if I deliver it or not. So now you can see the attitude of the delivery people of Ninja Van. So that will be the fall of Lazada here because of their couriers. They should be transferring couriers, like most people are complaining, but they never listen. I'm gonna have to look on the other side, push it a little bit. So this is one table saw that's available here for around 19,000 pesos. It's from Max Pro.